Cruise ships are floating resorts. They come with sumptuous food and entertainment, dripping in comforts, and a traveler will almost always find themselves asking, why would I ever want to leave? And it will surprise you to know from experienced travelers suggesting you stay on board while the others go for the shore. We've shared that advice too. But what if we told you that staying on the ship in port might be one of the biggest missed opportunities for senior travelers? In this guide, we'll explore 10 compelling reasons why stepping off the ship, even just for a few hours, can make your cruise experience richer, more comfortable, and more memorable. Many see the ship as the destination, but what's the core purpose of a cruise itinerary that staying on board can completely negate? Let's look at reason number 1. A cruise is more than just a floating holiday. It's a moving opportunity into new places, cultures, and stories. A complete experience. When you cruise, you're not just enjoying a ship. You're traveling to new places. Each port is an opportunity to see something different, experience culture, enjoy local sights, and check a destination off your travel list. Missing it can mean missing one of the very reasons people cruise in the first place. And for senior travelers, these experiences aren't just enjoyable. They're unforgettable memories in the making. But is staying on board peaceful as it seems? You may think staying on board is the peaceful option, but here's the truth. While passengers explore, the crew gets to work, cleaning, painting, and repairing. That peaceful day on the ship, that means noise, closed areas, or unexpected interruptions in what you hoped would be a quiet day on board. For seniors looking to truly relax, sometimes the quietest place is actually on shore, in a shady cafe or under a palm tree by the beach. And if you don't have a drink package on board, could stepping ashore save you some money too? Skip the $14 onboard cocktail. In most ports, you can enjoy a glass of local wine or a tropical drink for half the price, often with twice the charm. Whether it's a margarita in Mexico or sangria in Spain, for seniors, sipping a drink by the shore adds local flavor to your day. Some seniors avoid ports thinking it's a hassle to leave the ship, but is it really that difficult? Unless you're at a tender port, most cruise ships dock right at the terminal. You just walk off. No hassle, no pressure. And if it is a tender port, think of it as a bonus boat ride with stunning views of your ship from the water. Pro tip for seniors, time your exit to avoid crowds, and you can enjoy a smooth, stress-free stroll. Cruise food is convenient, sure, but after a few days, even the best buffet starts to blur together. Dining in port gives you the chance to enjoy authentic local cuisine, something real, a fresh fish taco, homemade pasta, or maybe just a cappuccino with a view. Why this is important for seniors? For many older travelers, these meals become memories. And let's face it, food is part of the adventure too. Here's something many cruisers don't realize. Many attractions, shops, and bars shut down while the ship is docked. The casino, closed. Onboard shops, closed. Some entertainment and dining venues also reduce hours or cancel events altogether. So if you're staying on board, thinking you'll be entertained all day, think again. Instead, why not use this quiet time to make the most of the world just outside? Port days don't have to mean climbing on a big tour bus. You can explore at your own pace. Consider a walk around the port town, a cab to a nearby beach, or even a hop-on, hop-off bus tour. Or book a small group tour online that moves at your pace. This is your vacation. Explore on your terms. And if you decide to stay on board anyway, will the crew be able to assist the way they usually do? Behind the scenes, court days are busy for crews, drills, inspections, and essential maintenance. That means fewer hands to assist you and limited access to services, like having lunch in the main dining room and room service might take longer. So instead of being disappointed, why not take the day into your own hands and go ashore? But what if you've already been to this port before? Is it still worth getting off? Already been to his port? That's exactly why you should go again. Many seasoned travelers say their second or third visit is where the real magic happens. With no pressure to rush or check things off a list, you can go deeper, discover a quiet corner, revisit a place you loved, or simply enjoy the familiarity in a relaxed way. Still not sure if you're stepping off the cruise? Ask yourself this. Well, the ship is where you sleep and sail. The ports are where you live the story. Whether it's buying local art, seeing a historic site, or simply sipping coffee at a coastal cafe, these are the moments you'll remember long after the cruise ends, and they're waiting for you, just off the gangway. Cruising offers a perfect balance of comfort and adventure, but only if you allow yourself to experience both. Don't let hesitation hold you back. Step into new cultures, flavors, and experiences. And to make it even easier, we're giving you a free complete travel packing list. Just scan the QR code on screen. Plus, Check the video description for exclusive cruise tips and special offers curated just for senior travelers. So go ahead, step off the ship and into your next great memory.